how many people will be here tonight, please? Coming peace, friendship and light, as always. I have a couple of questions I'd like to ask, if I may.
Hello once again. I hope you find tonight's video interesting. I've tried to ask how Spirit contact us, if they see us all the time. Sort of relevant little questions that everyone keeps asking. I'll keep plugging on and keep trying, and hopefully we've got a few answers tonight, but stick with me. We'll get there in the end. If you've any questions that you want answered, please contact me. Leave a message. We'll see what we can do. Hope you enjoyed the video, because I really enjoyed making tonight's video. I felt Spirit all around me, and they actually say that in the video that they are behind me. I felt that. So I hope you enjoy the video.
Can you tell me what spirit guides with me tonight, please, who can answer my questions? The first question that people would like to know, how do you know, or do you know, when we're going to do a sitting? Do you already know this in advance? How do you know? I have to apologise that I can't hear your replies, I'm trying to say. At the present moment, I can only hear them after the recording is finished. So if you know we're going to sit, does that mean you're aware of what we're doing at all times? Can you actually see us at all times? How does this work? Moving a little bit further on with it, can you actually see me sitting here now? And do you actually hear my voice, or is it another way you pick up what I'm saying? Do you actually hear me like I hear you? Will you explain how things work for us? Ask for just the highest, most loving people to answer, please. No disrespect. You get none from me, and I get none from you. Barlow, You take these disruptive people away, please. I've another question I'd like to ask. It's about spirits appearing as orbs. How do you appear as an orb? Can you explain it? An awful lot of people are posting videos of so-called orbs captured on infrared cameras. What is the likelihood that this is spirit compared to dust? Is it possible for you to answer them? How would someone know it's real spirit rather than dust? I have another question I'd like to ask also. Lots of spirit investigators and ghost hunters capture footsteps when there is nobody there. How can spirit make loud footsteps when all you are is energy? How and why is this done? How do people talk from the spirit world when you have no voice box? Yet when we do investigations, we sometimes hear voices out loud. How is this possible? How is it possible we hear your voice out loud? And we capture it sometimes on recording device. I'd just like to say thank you for letting me ask questions. I hope I've got some answers. Love and light to you all. Speak to you again soon. Goodbye for now. Goodbye.